Across the universe, there are planets so bizarre, so extreme, and so impossible that they defy everything we thought we knew about how worlds form. These are the strangest planets ever discovered. Places where glass rains sideways, oceans of lava stretch for thousands of miles, and diamonds fall like raindrops. Welcome to Cosmic Nova. Today, we explore the strangest planets in the universe. When we discovered the first exoplanets, scientists expected worlds like Earth or Jupiter. Instead, we found planets that break every rule. Planets where temperatures melt iron, planets orbiting dead stars, and worlds made of exotic matter. These planets show us that the universe is far more creative than we imagined. HD 189733b is one of the most dangerous worlds ever found. Its winds blow at 5,400 miles per hour, 7 times the speed of sound, and its atmosphere is filled with microscopic glass. The glass shards cut across the sky at deadly angles, turning the planet into a storm of razor-sharp rain. 55 Cancri E is a world covered in oceans of melted rock. Daytime temperatures reach 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to vaporize iron. Rivers of lava flow across the surface, and the entire planet glows like a burning ember as it orbits dangerously close to its star. Some models suggest that beneath its molten exterior, 55 Cancri E may be made largely of carbon. Under immense pressure, carbon turns into diamond. This means an entire planet-sized diamond could exist, larger than Earth. Coro 7b orbits so close to its star that its surface is hotter than molten metal. Its rocks vaporize and form giant mineral clouds. When these clouds cool on the night side, the minerals condense and stones rain from the sky. WASP 12b is being eaten alive by its star. It orbits so closely that the star's gravity is tearing the planet apart, stretching it into an egg shape. The planet is dissolving, inch by inch, into the star's furnace. Trace 2b reflects less than 1% of all light, making it darker than coal. It's the blackest planet ever discovered. Despite being hotter than an oven, it glows only with a faint red shimmer, like a dying ember drifting through space. But these are only the beginning. Beyond them lie planets even stranger, worlds with 2 suns, planets that orbit backwards, planets made of ice hotter than fire, and planets where gravity crushes mountains into dust. To uncover them, we must travel deeper into the galaxy's unknown regions. Across the galaxy, scientists have found planets so bizarre that they challenge everything we understand about physics and planetary formation. These worlds are hot, cold, dark, glowing, storm-filled, glass-covered, diamond-rich, and utterly alien. These are the planets nature wasn't supposed to make, and yet they exist. Imagine a world where it rains sideways shards of glass at over 5,000 miles per hour. HD 189733b is a deep blue gas giant with violent, hurricane-level winds and scorching heat. Its atmosphere is packed with silicate particles, turning storms into literal blades of glass. A single gust on this planet could slice through steel. Just 40 light-years away lies a world that may be made mostly of pure diamond. Its extreme pressure and carbon-rich composition could have compressed the entire mantle into crystalline carbon. A planet sparkling like a gemstone, but hot enough to melt iron. On K2-141b, oceans, mountains, and atmosphere are made of lava. The dayside reaches over 4,000 degrees Celsius, while the night side is cold enough to freeze rock. Winds carry molten vapor across the twilight zone, where it rains rock instead of water. A full rock cycle, oceans evaporating, condensing, raining, but with molten stone. This world reflects less than 1% of the light it receives. Darker than coal, darker than black paint. Trace 2b absorbs almost all starlight, glowing faintly red like burning embers. It is one of the strangest thermal atmospheres ever discovered. GJ1214b is a world covered entirely in supercritical water. Not solid, not gas, but a strange, high-pressure fluid that doesn't exist on Earth. Its oceans are deeper than imagination, thousands of miles deep. The frozen Rogue, a planet without a sun. Drifting alone in darkness, rogue planets roam between stars. These worlds are frozen, silent, and sunless. Yet some might still host subsurface oceans heated by radioactive decay or tidal stress. This giant is so low density that it's less dense than styrofoam. If you could place it in an enormous ocean, it would float. It's a gas giant stretched by its star's heat into an almost balloon-like shape. Even stranger, it orbits its star backwards, the opposite direction of the star's rotation. Something massive once hit this planet, flipping its orbit and breaking the rules of planetary motion. But these planets are only the beginning. The strangest worlds of all are the ones that rewrite physics. Worlds with two suns, worlds shaped like eggs, worlds that shouldn't survive, and worlds that may not be planets at all. Some planets break patterns, break physics, and break expectations. These are the worlds scientists have no category for. Worlds that seem impossible, yet we observe them clearly through telescopes, data, and starlight dips. Like Tatooine in Star Wars, Kepler 16b orbits two suns. Every sunrise is double. Every sunset is double. Its seasons, temperatures, and day-night cycles are unlike anything Earth could support. WASP-12b is stretched like an egg by tidal forces. It's so close to its star that the star's gravity pulls the planet into an oval shape and is tearing it apart atom by atom. One day, this world will be completely shredded. Kepler 438b receives too much radiation for life, yet it remains Earth-sized and rocky. Its atmosphere should have been stripped long ago. Something unknown is protecting it or replenishing it. This world is forming a giant comet-like tail as its atmosphere evaporates into space. It leaves a trail of gas millions of miles long, a planet slowly dissolving. On the hot side of WASP-76b, iron evaporates into the air. On the cooler side, that iron condenses and rains down as molten metal. A world with literal iron rain, bright, metallic storms falling from the sky. This rocky planet is so close to its star that a year lasts just 18 hours. Mountains vaporize. Lava oceans boil violently every orbit. It is a world with no time, just endless cycles of destruction. Some worlds blur the line between planet and star. They glow faintly from internal heat, radiate strange wavelengths, and may have once been stars that failed to ignite. They are the cosmic in-between. These bizarre worlds show us one truth. Nature is more creative than imagination. Our universe builds planets out of lava, diamonds, glass, metal, boiling oceans, even physics-breaking anomalies. And somewhere out there, stranger worlds still wait to be discovered. The universe is not uniform. It's wild, chaotic, terrifying, beautiful, filled with worlds beyond anything we could dream. If these planets exist, what else is waiting to be found? Thanks for watching Cosmic Nova. Stay curious and explore with me again in the next journey through the universe.